Today, in the afternoon, or earlier this morning actually, Honorable Vice President of Botswana and the Minister of International Relations called on Honorable President. And a short while ago, Honorable President interacted with the vibrant Indian community in Botswana at a special reception. She lauded their contribution to Botswana's economic growth and their role in strengthening the bonds of friendship and cooperation between our two countries. The state visit of Honorable President underscores India's commitment to strengthen its long-standing and friendly ties with Botswana. The visit also reflects India's firm commitment to expanding partnership with the African region, including within the framework of India-Africa Forum Summit. Being the first ever presidential visit from India to Botswana, it marks an important milestone in the India-Botswana relationship. It also assumes significance as India and Botswana will be celebrating 60 years of establishment of diplomatic ties between our two countries next year. Honorable President Boko described the visit as historic, being the first ever state visit of a head of state from India. He mentioned that it is also the first state visit after his government has assumed responsibility last October. So for all this reason, the visit was very, very important. From our perspective, the state visit of Honorable President has given a fresh momentum to our close ties of friendship and cooperation with Botswana. We have a clear roadmap for expanding our partnership with Botswana, and the task before us now is to build on this very positive momentum. With these words, I would be happy to take questions, but let me also say last thing, Rajesh, which is that the warmth of welcome by the people and government of Botswana for the Indian delegation and the hospitality extended to Indian delegation has truly been overwhelming, and we are very grateful to the people and government of Botswana in the manner in which they have received Honorable President and the Indian delegation.